Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following equation, and the given equation is 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. So guys, let us see how we can solve this given equation.
Question has given us here this expression 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 divided by 5 or minus 2 upon 5. Question has given us this expression 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5, and question is just asking us to solve this expression. So guys, let us solve this expression. Now, question has given us 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Solving this expression means we need to find out the value for this variable y. So this is what the question is asking us. Question is asking us to find out the value for this variable y. So 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. Or I can write 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y. Let us put this 2 minus 6y within brackets into 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 divided by 5 into 2 minus 6y. What I am doing here? I have multiplied or multiplying 2 minus 6y to both sides. Why I am multiplying 2 minus 6y to both sides? I want to eliminate this 2 minus 6y from the denominator. In order to eliminate this 2 minus 6y from the denominator, I need to multiply 2 minus 6y to the left side of the equation. If I am multiplying something to the left side of the equation, I should also do the same thing to the right side of the equation. For that reason, I have multiplied 2 minus 6y to both sides of the equation. Or I can write this 2 minus 6y, this 2 minus 6y, it cancels out. So what I am left with? I am left with 3y plus 4. Let us put it in bracket, is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y divided by 5. Or I can write 3y plus 4 into 5 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y divided by 5 into 5. What I am doing here? I am dividing both sides. By 5. Why I am dividing both sides by 5? I want to eliminate this 5 from the denominator. In order to eliminate the 5 from the denominator, I need to divide the right side of the equation. I need to multiply the right side of the equation. Guys, this is not dividing actually, this is multiplying. I need to multiply the right side of the equation with 5 or by 5, and I need to also do the same thing to the left side of the equation. This is actually multiplying. So for that reason, I have multiplied 5 to both sides of the equation. Or I can write now, 3y plus 4 into 5 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. This 5 and this 5, it cancels out. So we are left with 3y plus 4 into 5 is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus 6y. So we need to multiply minus 2 with this 2 and again minus 2 with this minus 6y. Similarly, we need to multiply 5 with 4 and again 5 with 3y. So let us do this. Or I can write 5 3s are 15y plus 20, 5 4s are 20 is equal to minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, minus 2 into minus 6y is plus 12y, minus 2 into 6, minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 12, 6 2s are 12y. Or I can write 15y is equal to minus 4 plus 12y minus 20. What I have done here? I have moved this plus 20 to right side of the equation. That means transposing. What I am doing here? I am transposing plus 20 from transposing plus 20 plus 20 from left hand side to right hand side. And guys, we very well know that if we move something from one side to the other, its sign changes. If it is negative, it becomes positive. If it is positive, it becomes negative. So for that reason, plus 20, when it moved to the right side of the equation, it became minus 20. Or I can write, what I can write? Or I can write 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 4 minus 20. What I am doing here? I am just moving this plus 12y to the left side of the equation. That means again transposing plus 12y from right hand side this time to left hand side. Hope guys I am very clear till here. And why I am moving? I want to move all the variables having y to the left side of the equation and all the numbers without any variable to the right side of the equation. And why I am doing this? I am doing this so that it will be very easy for us to do our calculations, or we need to find out the variable y value. For that reason I am moving the variables to the left side and the numbers to the right side. Or I can write 15y minus 12y is 3. 15 minus 12 is 3. So 3y is equal to minus 24. Or I can write 3y divided by 3 is equal to minus 24 divided by 3. What I am doing here? I am dividing both sides. I am dividing both sides by 3. Why I am dividing both sides by 3? I want to eliminate this 3, or I want to remove this 3 from y. In order to remove this 3 from y, I need to divide the left side of the equation by 3. If I am dividing something by 3, or if I am dividing something to the left side of the equation, I should do also the same thing to the right side of the equation. For that reason, I have divided 3 to the left side of the equation as well as to the right side of the equation. Now, I can write, what I can write? I can write or y is equal to minus 24 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. Y is equal to 8. How? These three cancels out, and 3 8s are 24. So what we got? We got the value of y as minus 8. And guys, this is our answer. We got the value of y as minus 8, and this is our answer. But we should not stop here. We should check our answer. We should check our answer whether this value of y is correct or not. This value for y, that is minus 8, is correct or not. How we will check? Let us rewrite the original equation. Let us rewrite the original equation or expression that the question has given us. That is 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. This is the original expression. Now let us find out the value for left hand side as well as find out the value for right hand side. And if both the values are same, then the value that we got for y is absolutely correct. So here no need to do any calculation for right hand side, because we already have a right hand side as minus 2 upon 5. Now let us calculate the left hand side and let us see if we are getting minus 2 upon 5 or not. Now the left hand side of the equation, the left hand side of the equation is 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y. Now let us replace this value of y with by minus 8. So I can write 3 into minus 8 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6 into minus 8. Hope guys I am very clear till here. Now 3 into minus 8, 8 3s are 24. So minus 24 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6 minus 8 is plus 48. 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. So that is equal to minus 24 plus 4 is 20 divided by 50. So minus 20, minus 24 plus 4 is minus 20. Or this 0 cancels out. We are left with minus 2 upon 5. So what we got here? We got left hand side. We got what we got here. We got left hand side is equal to minus 2 upon 5. And guys, you could easily see that the right side of the equation also we have minus 2 upon 5. Therefore we can easily say that what we can say? We can say therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence this is verified. Hence this is verified. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to solve the expression and we need to verify the answer. Hope guys I am very clear till here, but still if you have any doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.